beautiful from the beginning up until now. Ito lamang pong request po natin sa ating pong couple, if that's okay with you guys. Okay, ang request po namin, narinig nyo naman, naramdaman nyo at nakita nyo kung gaano kataas.
Hi guys!
Wala pa ba? Wala pa. Okay, siguro naman.
Ay, di na mamansin. Tisha Montesnola.
At tinola.
We're just going to request a kiss. Ha? Kuya, wala pa. Oo, may huming tayo dyan. Okay, guys?
Baka kailan ka na ng araw, ah.
To know when
Kaya
to
nga eh.
kiss. We're just going to count from, okay, ako pala. I will going to count from 3 to 1. So kapag narinig niyo ang 1, sabay-sabay lamang po tayong sisigaw ng kiss. Okay, all together, we're just going to shout kiss after 1. Okay, if you guys are ready, please join me in the count of 3, 2, and 1. Kiss!
Tagal!
Congratulations! Finally, you
Nalipstick
made
ka na.
it!
Pinasa yung
Congratulations, our divas, Mr. and Mrs. Corpus. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating yung bagong kasal. Maraming salamat. And of course, before we proceed to the next segment of our program, this one is another fun part, or should I say, special part of our program. Pero bago po ang lahat, manatili po muna tayo nakatayo because of course, we're going to start the celebration by having an opening prayer to be led by none other